All right, folks, I'm doing a quick test, comparison test of some mics. You're listening to me on the the what is it, Saramonic Blink 500 B2 wireless mic system. Using my Mackie DLZ Creator XS board. I'm tongue-tied on this for this video. So this here is the noise in the background, my kids screaming, playing Fortnite. This is the Saramonic Blink 500 B2 that you're listening to now. And I'm going to switch over. They're both here. You can see both mics here. The second one you're about to listen to is the Hollyland Lars Max wireless system. This is the Hollyland Lars Max wireless system. Hollyland Lars Max wireless system. Saramonic Blink 500B2. I can't seem to remember that name. Saramonic Blink 500B2. Hollyland Lars Mars wireless mic. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause and I'm going to plug out the Hollyland Mars mic, and I am going to plug in. We're going to test the Saramonic against the Rode Wireless Go 2 mic. Okay, I'm back now. You're listening to the Rode Go 2 wireless mic, and I'm going to switch over now to the Saramonic 500 Blink 2. This is the Saramonic 500 Blink 2. Again, I apologize for my kids playing Fortnite in the background. I can't seem to keep them quiet at the moment, but I want to finish this up. So, Saramonic mic you're listening to. Rode Wireless Go 2 mic for comparison. Saramonic Blink 500B2. I keep looking away because I have the name on my computer and I just can't seem to remember that name. But it's a really good mic, as you can hear it, right? So I'm going to do a last test now. I'm going to compare the Saramonic to my overhead Sennheiser MKE shotgun mic, just for comparison's sake. Okay, I'm back now. You're listening to the Saramonic Blink 500 B2 wireless mic. I think I got the name right this time. Saramonic Blink 500 B2 wireless mic. And now I'm going to switch over to my Rode MK6. Oh, I got that wrong. My Sennheiser MK600 overhead shotgun mic. This is the Sennheiser MKE 600 shotgun mic that's above overhead out of the camera frame. This is the Saramonic Blink 500 B2 wireless mic, B2 Plus wireless mic. Again, the Sennheiser MK600 overhead mic. Saramonic Blink 500 B2 Plus wireless mic. So you got a comparison. There's the Saramonic I'm on now. You got a comparison between this and the Hollyland Lars. You got the wireless Go 2 from Rode, and the Sennheiser MK600 to compare it to.